Did you know the only unsolved plane hijacking in American history was pulled off by a man in a business suit who vanished into thin air? Thanksgiving Eve, 1971. A polite man calling himself Dan Cooper boards Flight 305, orders bourbon and soda, then hands the flight attendant a note claiming he has a bomb. He opens his briefcase. Shows her the explosive device. His demands, $200,000 and 4 parachutes. The FBI delivers the ransom at Seattle Airport. Cooper releases all 36 passengers like a gentleman. Then he orders the crew to fly toward Mexico at low altitude and speed. Somewhere over the dense forests of Washington, Cooper does the unthinkable. He lowers the plane's back stairs and jumps into a freezing rainstorm wearing nothing but his business clothes. The FBI launched their largest investigation in history. Hundreds of suspects, thousands of tips. Cooper was never found. Not his body, not the money, not a single trace. The perfect crime that turned a mystery man into a folk hero.